Hi, welcome to this video where we will be talking about how to debug without the help of any instructor or anybody. So let's say in your journey, not once, not twice, you will be able to face difficulties and challenges n number of times, right? Sometimes you can always reach out to the instructor for help. Sometimes they will respond back, I will respond back, and there will be some times where instructors would not be able to respond back because they are busy or something, right? So in case you don't have to be dependent on somebody, what you can do is you can leverage some of the generative AI applications or some of the generative AI solutions that are available on the internet. And one of the easiest solution is ChatGPT. Now, how to take help of ChatGPT? For example, what I'll do is I'm just arbitrarily writing some error. Now here you have created a list and the list name is list A, but you are printing the length of list B, but list B is not created, right? Now this is understood. If I know Python, I can understand. For people who are complete beginners, maybe you are not able to understand. What you can do is simply go. See, in my case, I cannot access ChatGPT because I stay in Hong Kong, so I use poe.com. You can also use this. So how we can leverage is just simply write down what's happening and then tell this is what my error is. Why am I getting this error? And it will explain you the error you are encountering. The name list B is not defined occurs because you are trying to access a variable which is list B that has not been defined, right? Similarly, there will be hundreds and hundreds of errors. Let's say df is equals to pd dot read csv 1.csv. Now here my pd is not defined, right? Similarly, you can also ask, okay, this, what is this error? You can also specify, can you explain this in 2 lines so that the answer is short. PD is not defined occurs because the pandas library typically imported as PD. Okay, how to fix it? How to fix it? And then you will be getting a code. You can see the fix is here. You just have to import this and then this error will be gone. Of course, there will be a new error because this file does not exist. So if there is a file named 1.csv here, of course there will be no error, but at least this error will not come. PD is not defined. Now there will be a separate error which is file name not found because 1.csv is not available. Now if you create a file here, let's say I'm creating a file, let's say I'm just randomly creating some file. I'm creating in the downloads itself. I'm naming it as 1 comma separated and then saving it, and then here I'm loading it. Done. And then you can see my error is gone because I'm able to read the file. And this is how you need to take help of ChatGPT. And one more thing to talk about, that ChatGPT is not 100% accurate. You cannot blindly rely on them, but most of the times, at least in your journey to get started with the field of data analytics or data science, or at least in the Python domain, you can always take help of ChatGPT. The way you write down the prompts, similarly the ChatGPT will also be able to help you out. And this is what you can do in absence of any instructor. But I wish you all the best in the program. In case you have any questions, reach out to me. You can raise a complaint, ask a question, whatever you want to do, you can do. I will always be there to support you. And in case I'm not reachable on Udemy, you can always request a connection request on send a connection request on LinkedIn, and we can get connected, and I'll try to help you out there as well. See you, and I wish you all the best for the program. I wish you become a data analyst or a data scientist or a AI engineer as soon as possible. More and more contents will be coming up on this program, and once the contents are ready, they will be published immediately to the program. So stay updated. See you in the next video. Bye.